If you manage a commercial pool and want crystal clear water with zero manual effort, you need to meet the Dolphin W20. Engineered specifically for shallow commercial pools up to 78 feet long, this robotic vacuum is all about power, efficiency, and simplicity. Designed for shallow pools, the W20 is built for commercial pools as shallow as 8 inches deep, perfect for splash pads, wading pools, fountains, and training pools. Covers pools up to 78 feet long. Ideal for large commercial installations, this unit handles long, wide pool floors with ease thanks to its advanced mapping and wide cleaning path. Includes remote control. You get manual steering capability using the included remote, handy for spot cleaning or quick touch-ups. Floor cleaning only, focused and efficient. This robot is optimized only for floor cleaning, which means it doesn't waste time climbing walls in shallow water where it's not needed. Comes with a caddy for easy transport. The included transport caddy makes it simple to move and store, especially in a commercial environment where you're cleaning daily. Unmatched shallow water performance. This is one of the few robotic cleaners that can operate in water as shallow as 8 inches. Most other models would just stall or float. Heavy-duty commercial-grade build. It's built like a tank, meant for daily use in commercial settings. You'll get years of reliable performance with minimal maintenance. Plug-and-play simplicity. Setup is incredibly easy. No Wi-Fi, no apps. Just plug it in, hit a button, and it starts cleaning. Doesn't clean walls or waterline. Because it's floor-only, this model isn't suited for vertical cleaning. If your pool has walls that need scrubbing, this won't be enough alone. Premium price tag. With its commercial-grade design, the W20 does come with a higher price point, which may not be practical for small residential users. If you operate a hotel, fitness center, municipal pool, therapy pool, or aquatic center, the Dolphin W20 is built for you. It's rugged, reliable, and saves hours of manual labor, especially in shallow pools where most robots simply can't function. Sure, it's not flashy, but it gets the job done. Every day, all day with commercial-level consistency. Want to make pool maintenance hands-free in your commercial facility? Grab the Dolphin W20 now using the link below.